Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic within the GNOME and broader Linux community, Libadwaita. We'll explore what it is, why it's controversial, and what the future might hold for Linux development in light of these debates. So, let's get started. Libadwaita is a library designed for the GNOME desktop environment. It's part of the GTK GIMP toolkit ecosystem and aims to provide a consistent and modern user interface for GNOME applications. This consistency is achieved through a set of widgets and design patterns that adhere to the GNOME Human Interface Guidelines, HIG. Essentially, Libadwaita ensures that applications look and behave uniformly across the GNOME desktop, which can greatly enhance the user experience by providing a cohesive and polished interface. However, Libadwaita is not without its controversies. Let's break down some of the key points of contention. Design consistency versus flexibility. While many appreciate the uniform look and feel Libadwaita brings, others argue that it limits flexibility. Developers and users who prefer to customize their interfaces find these restrictions frustrating. Theming restrictions. Libadwaita enforces strict theming guidelines, which can be seen as both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it prevents visual inconsistencies and usability issues. On the other, it curtails the rich tradition of theming and personalization that many Linux users cherish. Impact on non-GNOME environments. Applications using Libadwaita are optimized for GNOME, which means they might not integrate as smoothly with other desktop environments like KDE Plasma or XFCE. This can lead to a fragmented user experience for those who prefer non-GNOME setups. Developer workflows. For developers, the adoption of Libadwaita can streamline the creation of GNOME applications, but it also requires adherence to specific guidelines that might necessitate significant refactoring of existing projects. Community dynamics. There are concerns about the decision-making process behind Libadwaita, with some feeling that it reflects a top-down approach that clashes with the open-source ethos of collaborative development. So, what does this mean for the future of Linux development? The debate around Libadwaita highlights a fundamental tension between the desire for a uniform, polished user experience and the tradition of flexibility and customization in the Linux world. On one hand, having standardized tools like Libadwaita can significantly enhance the user experience by providing a consistent interface. However, these benefits come with trade-offs, notably in terms of limiting personalization and potentially alienating parts of the community who value that flexibility. Given these controversies, it's likely we'll see forks of Libadwaita emerge as developers seek to balance uniformity with the freedom to customize. This reflects a broader trend in the Linux ecosystem, where distributions are increasingly diverging, each catering to different preferences and use cases. This polycentric and multi-project approach has its advantages, such as fostering innovation and catering to a wide range of user needs. However, it also means the Linux desktop environment is becoming more fragmented, which can be confusing for new users and complicate support and development. In conclusion, while Libadwaita brings much-needed consistency and modernity to GNOME applications, it also raises important questions about flexibility and user choice. The Linux community thrives on diversity and innovation, and it will be interesting to see how these dynamics evolve. Will we find a balance, or will the trend towards fragmentation continue? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more discussions on open source software and the Linux ecosystem. See you next time.